Next up, you would want to build a WH question and also a reply statement. So, what is the WH question? All the questions would start with WH words. What are the WH words? What, why, where, which, when, all these are WH question words. And if you frame a question using them, which is an open question, then it becomes a WH question. In German, we call it as W-Frage. Once you have built a WH question, the next thing you want to do is to be able to reply to it. That is, to be able to build a statement. And in order to build a statement, the obvious thing you need to know is some verbs. At least some basic verbs. That's the agenda for this video. We will learn W-Frage Wörter, that is WH question words, and also some common verbs. Let's learn the WH question words in German. Wer means who. Was in German means what in English. Wie means how. Warum means why. Wo means where. Woher means from where. Wohin means to where. Welche means which. And wann means when. So these are the WH question words. Now let us learn some common verbs. Verbs are called as Verben in German. Heißen means to be called. Kommen, to come. Wohnen, to live. Sprechen, to speak. Sagen, to say. Reden, to talk. Kennen, to know. Hören, to listen. Schreiben, to write. Lesen, to read. Singen, to sing. And tanzen, to dance. Tschüss Leute, bis zum nächsten Mal.